Alright. So yeah, hi guys. The update for today is I started with the last topic of arithmetic, time, speed, and distance, and yeah, did the basics of it today, and solved 10 to 15 questions, the basic ones, and did saw two concept videos after the basics, and yeah, apart from that, I did two videos of from LIDI of this truth and lie, and I solved two RCs from CAD and in VRC. And yeah, that is it for today. And also one concept video of from VRC 1000 about how to read an RC. And yeah, that was it for today. If you have any doubts, just drop it down in the comment section. And there are less than 115 days, almost 116-17 days for CAT. So time to buckle it up. Also start giving mocks, guys. And yeah, that's it for today. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.